Hello, remember how we talked about rounding off numbers as a mathematical operation that involves approximating a number based on a degree of accuracy that is determined by how close it is to a certain number, right? Now let us consider the following numbers so that we can then get a full understanding of what a rounding of numbers is. So when we consider the numbers 13, 78, 101, 0.2, and 1594. So starting with number 13. Now you will see that 13 is closer to 10 than 20, right? 13 is a number that falls between 10 and 20, but it is closer to 10 because it's just 3 numbers away from 10, but 7 numbers away from 20. So in this kind of a case, we often approximate or round off 13 to 10 based on how close it is to 10 than 20. The same way when we consider 78. You agree with me that 78 is closer to 80 than 70. Now, 78 is a number that falls between 70 and 80, but it is 8 numbers away from 70, while it is just 2 numbers away from 80. That tells you it is closer to 80. So when you require 78 objects now, you can round it off and then get 80 instead. You won't be too far off. But if you had gotten 70, you will still need a whopping 8 of such items, which is not good enough. So you see 78 closer to 80. Now 101. You see 101 is closer to 100 than 110. 101 lies between 100 and 110, but it is just 1 away from 101. So it is closer to 100. And when we work with 0.2, you agree with me that 0.2 is closer to 0 than 1. So when you have 0.2, it's just as much as you having nothing at all. So you don't have enough. It's not up to 1 at all. So it's closer to 0 than it is to 1. And then when you have 1594 of an object, you agree with me that such is closer to 1600 than 1500. Now it is based on this that rounding off of numbers work. We look at how close it is to a certain degree of accuracy and then we round it to that value. Another thing you will observe here is that numbers like 3, 1, 2 in this case were rounded down. They were closer to the zeros than they were to the next number. And then you see that numbers like 8, like 9 and the likes were rounded up. So this helps us to understand rounding off numbers better. I hope now you understand the meaning of rounding off numbers. Thank you.